In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete and void invoices in Xero. To begin, click on the Sales menu at the top of the Xero interface. When the drop-down menu appears, select Invoices. You'll now see a list of your invoices. Browse through the list and locate the invoice that you want to delete or void. Once you've found the correct invoice, click on it to open the invoice details. With the invoice open, look to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu to view the available options. If the invoice is saved as a draft, select Delete from the menu. Draft invoices can be deleted directly. After selecting Delete, complete the action to remove the draft invoice. If the invoice is in awaiting payment status, you won't be able to delete it. Instead, use the option to void the invoice. Select the Void option to cancel the invoice. Before choosing Delete or Void, check the invoice status so you know which option is available. If the invoice is a draft, use Delete. If the invoice is awaiting payment, use Void. If the invoice has already been sent, you won't be able to delete or void it. The process is straightforward. Open the Sales menu, select Invoices, locate the invoice, open it, click the three-dot menu, and then choose the appropriate option based on the invoice status. For draft invoices, select Delete. For invoices that are awaiting payment, select Void. If you need to manage another invoice later, repeat the same process. Return to the Invoices list, open the invoice, check its status, open the three-dot menu, and select the available option. Each invoice status determines which action you can take. Draft invoices can be deleted, invoices that are awaiting payment can be voided, and invoices that have already been sent cannot be deleted or voided. After completing the action, return to the invoice list if you need to continue managing additional invoices. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you. Please like and subscribe.